Hola amigos, soy Ruth. I want to give you la próxima clase de español. What I'm trying to do is create a series of 100 clases de español, short, easy classes cortos y fáciles de español, and this is número 2 de 100. So it's based on Duolingo section 3.1, which is called Describe Activities. Describir actividades en español, really easy. And there are a lot of actividades en esta clase, so I've chosen just one to focus on, and that actividad es viajar. Viajar means to travel. It's like voyage. If you remember that viajar and voyage come from the same root, then you'll remember that travel is viajar en español. And mis amigos Pablo y Diana de Colombia y de Nicaragua, they viajaron aquí a Inglaterra, a mi casa y a ver mi país. So that means they viajaron a mi casa, to my home, a ver mi país, to see my country. So país is country, and you might have heard the word paisano, and that's a countryman, so that might help you remember the word país, because that's una palabra importante, an important word, palabra, una palabra importante en el tema de viajar, on the theme of traveling. Now, if you're going to describir actividades, en mi opinión, no es normal just to launch into a description de una actividad. Es más normal en la conversación to have those interactions of preguntas y respuestas, questions and answers. So how I'm going to do esta clase is to give you unas preguntas, some questions, 5 preguntas, and then we can answer them in the way that fits for you. I'll give you some ejemplos and then you can take it from there. But we're going to learn this word viajar, and we're going to learn to describir esa actividad. Pregunta número 1. Viajas. So this is the verb. Viajas, the to form. Do you travel? Viajas. Solo o con amigos? Alone or with friends? Again, how do you say that? Do you travel alone or with friends? Viajas solo o con amigos? Let's go with una respuesta a la pregunta, ¿viajas solo o con amigos? Yo, a veces, and that means sometimes, a veces viajo solo, sola. A veces viajo con amigos o con familia. Por ejemplo, to do is hacer, and I think this is an important word when we're describing activities. So to do or to make. So, en febrero de este año hice un viaje a Londres sola para hacer un viaje. Now this is down memory lane. Por el carril de los recuerdos. El carril is the railroad. So down memory lane, we call it a lane, they call it a railroad track. Hice un viaje a Londres por el carril de los recuerdos, the memories, okay? So, y sola. Hice este viaje sola. Pero también, but also. the verb, so hice is I did. Have a look at the verb hacer. So you can also say hago. It's an irregular verb. Hago excursiones con amigos, con mi grupo de amigos. Hago excursiones con mi hija, with my daughter. Okay? So what about you? ¿Viajas solo o con amigos? All right? And you could ask that question as well. You can ask your friends, your acquaintances, when you're describing activities, listen to them. ¿Haces viajes solo o con amigos? Okay, next question. Okay, I'm going to put two questions into one. So abroad is al extranjero. So something that's strange, extraño, is foreign to you, okay? So el extranjero, spelled like this, el extranjero is the strangeness, the foreignness. Abroad is al extranjero, okay? So if we're going to use this word viajas al extranjero, and in your own country is, you remember country is from paisano is país. So dentro de tu país is in your own country. So let's say you make the question, do you travel abroad? Go. Viajas al extranjero. Okay, I hope you got it. Next, the same thing, but it was too long to make into one question. Do you travel in your own country? You go. Viajas dentro de tu país. Okay? So you could put it all in one and it would sound like this, and you're able to do this, and I want you to try it. Do you travel abroad or in your own country? I'm going to do it. Viajas al extranjero o dentro de tu país. And now you can do it. Viajas al extranjero o dentro de tu país. Bueno, yo viajo dentro de mi país con mis amigos and with guests, you know, from other countries. Mis amigos de Alemania, mis amigos de Colombia. Viajo dentro de mi país con ellos, with them. ¿Sí? Y también viajo al extranjero. Viajo al extranjero un poco a ver, a visitar, and that's the easiest word. Viajo al extranjero a visitar a mis amigos. Pero prefiero viajar dentro de mi país. I don't like going too far nowadays. I've got a couple more questions, one for the past and one for the future. And so what I'll do al final de este video is I'll make a nice big word web of all words about viajar, and then you can, I'll put it up, but you can also download it from a PDF if you want to. So, en el pasado or en el futuro. We're going to say, did you used to? So we're going to use a tense called the imperfect, and it looks like this. Viajabas, viajabas. And that's, did you used to travel? Viajabas más en el pasado. Sí, yo viajaba. I used to travel. Yo viajaba mucho en el pasado. I was never in one place for very long. 2 años en Polonia, 6 meses en Barcelona. Viajé, I traveled. So simple past. Viajé a Brasil, viajé a Colombia. Viajaba a Peru. I traveled a lot to Peru, so it was repeated. Viajaba a Peru. Viajaba dentro de mi país mucho más también. And last question. ¿Vas a viajar más en el futuro? ¿Vas a viajar? Are you going to travel? La verdad es que no sé. The truth is I don't know. Me gustaría. And that's I would like to. So again, you're following that with the infinitive verb. Me gustaría viajar. Those who know my channel know that I ring church bells. Me gustaría viajar a más iglesias, a tocar más campanas dentro de mi país. Y también, ¿sabes qué? Me gustaría viajar a Italia. I hope that's been helpful. I know you're going to remember the word viajar. I hope you're going to be able to use it in lots of different ways and talk about las excursiones y las vacaciones que has hecho. Have a look at the word web at viajar, and I'll put something about hacer in the PDF too. And vuelve pronto por un poco más. Hasta entonces, adiós amigos.